birthday po! So, ang regalo ko sa'yo ay isang tula. So, yun. Start na. Ang title niya ay The Mother's Love. Thank you for watching over me all of the sleepless nights you lay me. Thank you for knowing when to hold me close or when to let me go. Thank you for every stepping stone and for the path that always leads me home. I thank you for the time you took to see the heart inside of me. Thank you for every sunlit days that fill the corners of my memory. Thank you for every selfless, unseen deed I know you did for me. Thank you for giving me a choice to search my soul till I could find my voice. And I thank you for teaching me to be strong enough to bend. You gave me the rules to start this life, and then you gave me wings to fly. And I learned to dream because you believe in me. There's no power like it on this earth, no treasure equal to its worth. The gift of a mother's love, the gift of your love. Happy birthday, Ma! I love you, and kakanta na kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Blow your candles now, Ma. So, Ma, yay! Happy birthday! Love you. God bless.